Okay, everyone. So this we just install, and I'm going to open the output pipe. So before I'm going to open the output pipe, just explain a little bit how the process is work. So that's why we use this drum, because this is the metal drum that is it's strong, it's not deformed. When we have the sunshine, it's hot, so if the plastic will be deformed, but this is the metal, so it won't deform. And we use the 34 millimeter intake water pipe because we want it a little bit lighter than the 60 millimeter, because the 16 millimeter it will deform, because the drum will suck very strong to pump the water up to replace the air inside the drum, so it will deform sometime. So okay, so this is the 60 millimeter, and we have the airway here. This is the air. When the first time we will fill the water by this way, and we open the air over here to let the air go out and fill by the water, and then after that we just close to make sure it's airproof. Then when the water is pushing out, because we use the big pipe, so it will pushing up, and the drum will press. The drum will press and need the air replacement of the drum, and then suck the water from the intake water pipe. So now I already closed the output water pipe. So now we'll open here. So before I open, I explain a little bit why we put this is small and this is big, because the intake water pipe is 34 millimeter. So we make it balance. When it go out 34 and come in 34, it will balance. It won't, it will work. It's not last long. It will work forever. So okay, I will open to let you see how it works right now. So count 1, 3, come on. Wow, it's pressing drum. As you can hear, the drum is pressing. So when it's pressing, then it sucks the water from the intake water pipe. Okay, all right. So it's coming. Oh, it's trying to suck over there. All right, I will see over there if it's coming. Can hear the water suck. It suck. Here, you see? Everyone can hear the water sucking from the intake water pipe. I will let you hear the water sucking. You can hear. So it is suck very strong. Suck very strong. Okay. We're going to see over there. Oh, it's working. All right. So we're going to see over there again. So as you can see, it seems like very strong suck from over there, and a little bit heavier, so it's slower. As my experience, if you want the water suck stronger and output stronger, you use this pipe is longer to make sure output is long, and then far away. So when it's far away, the press is very strong. So, but make sure that your drum is strong as well. Otherwise, it will be deformed. So this is very short output pipe. That's why it's not so strong. The suck is a little bit low. Okay, so that is what I'm gonna want to explain you. Okay, all right. I will extend this output water pipe in futures. This is just for my tutorial only, and thank you very much for watching my review today, and hope you enjoy. Subscribe if you are the first time watching my channel. Bye.